Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
The reason being them asked me, diary. The reason the teacher and the principal asked me, she said somebody will buy my son book them, come to the school and say me in a lot of bagger on Instagram and me just a walk and a beg and people are discriminate me. I carry down the little boy and I carry down them school. So me say why she go at the school and do
basically
that?
what me just say. But what does that have to do with them?
So why should do that? I miss who buy the book them? Me know Diary, Munchie, and Destiny. If buy my son book, go for the school and take the book them. Me no want them. I don't want them. Cause this is not your business. You go from my son's school and I care down me and I class me and I tell them say I'll Batman me up on live with. What that concern you? You just gotta look for the book them in a care go get it school.
So now who buy the book them?
I want girl must name Julie suck my nether. Why you do that to me, my girl? Come no say some come say from the teacher, the principal, officer IG, me no say something right.
Who? What the person name on my page?
Me and she and Foley did that on the live what day. Me and she and Foley and Kim. And she go up at the school and I tell
a call.
no, she go up there, go let off the book.
Wow. Maybe
You should
never
do
did
that,
want
man. Me not like that, man. Them should do that, man.
Maybe she never want to talk. Because
Where
maybe
you
she
said
scared
the
those
girl
human
name?
action for the Instagram.
Where you said the girl name Tuffy and that one? Where you said she name?
I must say Julie something on there that she need. Me remember, but she did. Remember going cause she did text me. Remember text. Don't hang up. Never going on my Instagram.
Does she share our number though for Tuffy?
I know Derek this.
Cross his blood clot.
What she do is wrong, but at the same time, what does that have to do with your school?
Never screenshot it and send it to your diary.
Alright.
When we come out, never screenshot.
What's her Instagram page name?
Throw me the pan it and me try come out check.
Screenshot you send me. We're going to deal with her. We're going to hang her. Screenshot you send me.
Yeah. I send it to you a while ago. I send it to you a while ago. I screenshot it and send it to you.
Top of the people in the comment, I read Mary, the people in the comment that say, you know, my go so.
She was in the comments the other day. I remember.
Now she go do it, and she go do it. And she go do it. I want a book from your girl. Me don't want them.
So you're sure the woman do it, Tuffy?
As she do it. So now that's why I tell you, as she do it.
Oh,
she go there.
She about the book, like the book part. If I share the person, can drop the book and she say.
Yeah, let me say me know her.
Destiny, may I send it to you? May I send it to you?
You buy the book them Destiny, and I just go on where you tell them about this and tell them about me, you know,
oh God.
You know, just tell them say.
Yeah, the point. Hold on, I send it to you.
But the people them say when they come up on the live first, yeah, say you don't know the reason, but maybe you never want to talk.
No, I never know. When the teacher said the principal said the same person will leave the book them here. So my member said she. You understand?
Which book them? The one book you say she buy?
She buy 2 books. She buy the religious, education, and she buy the science. But Miss me not want them. Go on back feet. Go on back feet. Me not want it.
Okay, Tuffy, this is the thing. That's how I need Candy. You need to stop it. You say one book she did buy. So how it become 2 now?
She says 2 book charm. She leave there the diary. And I mean, says how the principal say you can't say to me diary.
The book is at the school office.
Was that not what you did,
no.
Tuffy? You said all on the.
So when she text you and said the book they at the school office, they said no, the book never reached.
Tuffy, you came on the live, the platform, over Foley, you said you have 1 book and you want 2 more books, and that is why people sent you.
You not hear me? I said, Dari, I one book she buy. But when the teacher called me, the teacher said it's 2 books. The principal said it's 2 books, so the tag her right blood clot no me get my tongue. The 2 old father.
Want get to her? Me say me can call her.
Call her your destiny. She 2 old father. Where you gone back and tell people about me baga
Yes,
on
Christ.
social media. You old
Me go
father,
call
you
her.
rude.
One next bag
Tuffy,
of ya.
Tuffy, even me I read this me not see what the girl and you have no arguments. She just
No, but
say
diary. The
I
girl
want to
say,
diary.
well, I not talk to me explain something to diary. The girl say the
yeah,
book
take the
is
bag
at
of
the
knives on my
office.
head today, Tuffy. Yeah, take the
Well,
bag
I
of
know me
knives
explain something to your diary. Me see on the
on my
screenshot.
head.
The girl said the book
Me
is at the
not, me,
office
you
and
know
Tuffy
what
said
me done with
no.
this?
Why me Tuffy say
Done with
no?
this. Me up on
Why me can say no, Tuffy?
Eh?
Why me can say no?
My ask her said the my ask her said the book there she turned to me and said the book is at the school office.
And you
So
say
she said
no to
no,
her.
amigo press something and go say no. Me sure I say yes, thank you.
Let me
But
see
to
me
me
get
I
to the
try
woman.
call her destiny. I wanna tag her over ya. Cause through me a wicked and me a liar tag her blood clot over ya.
Me no know
No,
if me not. Me no know if you
Victoria
believe
River
me love. Me can't.
angry.
Me no know if you believe me love. Me not
So
know.
why would I tell her? Why would I tell her? That's why me they ask Diary for her number and she said she don't hear
No,
everything.
because stuff is just a while ago. You come on the live and you say you don't know the reason why, and then you come back and say it's the girl. You say you know see the girl. You say you feel say the girl. Then you come back and say she. So that's why people at the commenters say them want to hear the next side of the story.
And I mean my ungrateful. What the fuck me for ungrateful with it if somebody do that to you? They're not supposed to do that none at all.
Munchie a wash plate.
Sorry.
We know.
Girl,
Next question,
why you
yeah.
gonna say Carrie Berry depend girl, you ungrateful. Me not ungrateful, I appreciate it, but you can't do people that. People that on social media, you don't need to go to school to tell people that. That is not your business. They buy the son of book fine and go on. Why you ever go for the school and not tell the teacher them all kind of man of fever?
You black her Tuffy.
No,
Send her the live. She name Bella.
I said mega send her the live. Yeah, me
Bennett.
send her.
Name Bella Bennett. The story
Yeah, I
now
think
add
the
up.
story is strong.
It now add up to me.
So I'm not send her the live. Cause through me a wicked and me a liar. The principal said to me, say, their destiny and diary and Muntu. The principal said the person will bring the book to the first me I say I'm confused. Cause me don't know is what when the teacher asked the principal asked me for my IG page. So me I say at the first me say a teacher asks a principal ask me for your IG page. Normally nobody not supposed to do that. But I don't give her the one when me I use Destiny. I get the first one when mess up sexy body
Yeah,
Terry.
but listen now, let me explain something to you. Let me break it down and explain something to you. When you just came on the live, you said that somebody you don't know is who, but you say it's might be the girl who by the
Right.
book them. Then you come listen, then you come back and you say the principal say the girl who by the book as she call the principal. And that you say, so you're getting mixed up. So that's why people must say they don't understand. Because first you say you don't know who, and then you come back and say the girl by the book.
The teacher said to the principal said to me, the same person will buy the book them. She say on Instagram making a mess of yourself and a care and them a care down the look boy. That the principal say. You want me to get the principal number, you go like you're gonna leave something for him destiny, you call her?
No one no principal number coming now waste my credit at Jamaica. My love my internet bill go up.
No, me just want to prove a point to them people, yeah.
Mm-mm.
And that one.
Me confused. The lady in the comment.
No.
She want to come on live. Call me, lady, call me. The teacher. We can't bother. What Tuffy say? I got the principal. The microwave at my shop. Dari Almut. Dari unmute the phone, my girl. Why? Let me call Baga
She
Baga TV.
said, Shagga call. Listen up. She said, Shagga call me. The teacher said, Shagga call me. The principal said, Shagga call me in our meeting. And then she called me back and said, the person who left the book them here, say, me over there on IG begging and this and that and carry down the school. And I said, me not carry down the school, miss.
When they tell us something about the name of the school, that may I tell you.
Which school me I carry down? Principal, which school me I carry down? More than me I beg from school. Me not carry down the school.
Man, then throw your opinion out of the school now. Tuffy nice. Take time talk. Take time talk.
Hey girl, when in Caribbean, what you mean me not love my son? What you mean you need to stop now, girl? You not love your son, you fuck you that talk about. You another girl wrong. She wrong for go up at the school and I call me name for the teacher, the principal, but me dey on IG and this and that. She wrong. If you give him a child something, you give it and go on.
They believe the girl really tell the principal that?
She said the person left the book.
I'm not the
But she
principal.
don't
I
want
got
to
Why
left
you
book.